Well guys, another day to make, I don't know what kind of videos we're making today, but we are going to be starting off today with washing the wide body GTR. Now last week when we picked up the car from Nestor's, this car was completely dirty, so I washed the car and then I took it to work, and then it ended up getting extremely dirty. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but this car needs a wash, and I need to grab my keys here. Also, if you guys watched the last video, you guys know that a new project car is coming to the channel very soon, and I already went ahead and bought new wheels for that car. Yes, I know I'm doing everything backwards, but nonetheless, once you see a deal, I'm telling you guys, don't think twice, because the deal is just gonna pass you by. And I just locked the car. Unlock the car. Please don't bang the wheels. Oh my goodness. And cold start in 3, 2, 1. Now there's one thing that I noticed after getting the car fully serviced, that the car doesn't run as rich, and I think it's because of the fact that we did put a new manifold gasket so that we don't have all the toxin just blowing up into the garage, and it's a lot more tolerable now. But let's get this out of here. Also forgot to do today's intro, so welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content right here in Hawaii. This channel is for you. So I have about 20 minutes, half an hour to wash this car, and I'm probably just gonna do like a quick wash, but we are gonna get this car washed, and then I have some errands to run. I'll take you guys along with me, and then I also have a workout later on at 2 p.m. and then whatever shenanigans we find in between, All right, before we get wet and soapy, another thing that I forgot to mention too is I am still on the hunt for the cap for the front bumper. If you guys can tell, I have literally the front license plate with the actual bracket, and I have painter's tape just so I don't scratch the front bumper. But I know our friend Andrew, he spent a good amount of time. Literally, it's just like a square cap to cover that little piece over here. But our friend Andrew spent a lot of time just to frame it and get it to fit the front bumper, and I can't find it, and it's been over 6 months. I think I might have to just order a new one. And with that being said, quick cuts start in 3, 2, 1. Well, now she's nice and clean, guys. Missed a spot over there. Now, upon further inspection, we ran into a slight problem, and let's take a look at the windshield wiper. She's kind of droopy down there, if you know what I mean. Look at that. Well, probably gonna have to go to Costco or AutoZone. That's not good if that falls off. Now, I know I said I'm gonna keep these wheels a secret until we get the new car in the garage, but I guess I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of what it is. These are Toyo tires, by the way, but I'm gonna just show you guys this right there. I think these are the fronts though, but yeah. I'm gonna give you guys just that for now. Now, if you guys wanna take a guess, drop it in the comments right now. Let me know what car you think these wheels are gonna be going on. And yeah, if you guys haven't done so either, smash the like button for today's video, and let's get out of here. Now, I don't know if my eyes are deceiving me, but I swear, is this a wide body Tesla Model X? That's freaking nuts, bro. Look at that thing. I just got done talking to the guy at the stoplight. It's actually a Model Y wide body kit, actually made for the Model Y. And then he was like, oh, do you want to do a 0 to 60? I'm like, no, bro. Tesla's off the line. Their torque is so freaking crazy, man. But dude, wow. That was the first time I've ever seen a wide body Tesla. And those things are sick. And now to more important things of today. Health is very important, so let's get our workout in.
2 hours later.
Now that the workout's done, just some nice accelerations. Like the smoothness of the shifting, it's so much better. Absolutely love this thing. And again, shout out to our boy Nestor. But this car runs so freaking good now, like way better than how it ran before. Well, I had to stop by home. I had to switch out my shirt because I spilled iced coffee on my shirt. But you know what that means? Actually, let's just keep it cool for now. Just roll through the gears. So freaking smooth, guys. Like no joke at all. I really believe that putting the TSP clips made quite a difference with the shifting. Only because if we didn't have those clips and we just get caught at the wrong time, we'd be stuck. And a downshift and a go. Well, it's about that time we sit in this beautiful Friday traffic here in Hawaii. It's 5:37. I gotta go to work at 6. Will I make it on time? I'm pretty sure. But also, on the side note, if you guys don't know, I also have an upcoming street brand. It's like a side project that I am trying to do. I want to try incorporate it with the channel as well. And I'm slowly getting some stuff in. And I just wanted to show you guys that we got some... Well, actually, I'll show you these ones first. But let me... Hold on. Okay, so we got decals for the brand Definitive. You guys see it on my shirt. It's right over here. And we have decals over here. Some of my friends are gonna pick it up today. And also, I've been really working hard on this and trying to pick the right colors and whatnot, and you know, trying to deal with my supplier. This is all new stuff to me, by the way. So I'm kind of taking you guys through the process of building a brand as well. So we also got jet tags. So just to lay it out on my leg here while I'm driving. But we got five different colors. So we got sand, black and white. Oh my gosh, I just dropped them. Hold on. All right, we got sand, black and white, red, blue, and also black and pink. Now it has Definitive on the front, and then on the back, when you flip it over, you got the motto of Stay Driven. Now how cool is that, guys? Well, yeah, I'm slowly putting together a website, trying to get all of that situated. If you guys haven't done so already, follow Definitive on Instagram as well. Also, if you guys watch this far already and you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. But that's just a quick update for you guys. So I'm planning to get everything in, hopefully within the next week or so. Everything is slowly coming in. Shipping takes forever. Supplies, just raw material, everything like that is obviously a shortage still yet. So, you know, it's out of my control, but in the meantime, I am trying to work on different ways to brand, or to, how to say, advertise the brand, and just to build the brand as well. So if you guys, you know, just to add a little bit more value to you guys as well, I want to show you guys and take you through the whole process of building Definitive and building this channel as well. So something to, it's just another aspect of the channel, and it all revolves around just stuff that I want to do and hopefully build something big and huge for you guys. Well, I'm not sure if you guys can tell what's on my windshield right now. All these little dots and those water streaks right there, yeah, you know what that's called? It's called rain. For those of you guys that's from Hawaii, you guys already know what the deal is. But for those of you guys that are not from Hawaii, maybe if you guys even plan on living in Hawaii, here's a word of advice. If you guys want you guys' plants watered, just wash your car. I will guarantee you it's gonna rain. Two birds, one stone. All right, guys, so it's already the next day. I forgot to turn on the mic when I was trying to do the outro from last night's video, but I guess I'm just gonna end the video with this by saying that this car is gonna be going to a detail very soon. So it's maybe gonna be out of the garage for the next couple weeks. And then of course, you guys already know we got the new wheels here already for the upcoming project car that we have. So hopefully, I wanna say by, actually, no, yeah. So we're set for Saturday, the 7th of May to pick up the new car. So hopefully that video will be dropped that following Tuesday for our regular Tuesday vlogs. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way. And most importantly, stay driven.